अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब? ठीक ठाक हैं। मैं हूँ हीना जबीन, तो वेलकम करती हूँ आपको अपने चैनल पर। आज की वीडियो जो है, मैंने कहा वाईटी का माहौल जो है बहुत ही हर वक्त सीरियस होता है, सैड होता है ज़्यादातर। तो आज हम माहौल को करते हैं चेंज, थोड़ा सा फनी वीडियो आपके सामने लेकर आ रहे हैं और इसके बारे में हम देंगे अपना रिएक्शन। तो हम शाम से भी मिलते हैं और आप सबको बताते हैं, और वीडियो ज़्यादातर इंग्लिश में होगा। मैं भी कोशिश करूँगी कि उर्दू में भी इसको करूँ। तो जी, वीडियो की तरफ जाने से पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से कर लीजिए और नोटिफिकेशन का बटन ऑन कर लीजिए। तो फिर वीडियो की तरफ चलते हैं। हेलो Sam, how are you? Okay,
I'm good, thank you.
what are we doing today? Which video?
We're going to watch a video about a man that does magic tricks. I can't say his name. What's it called?
WIAN.
Yeah.
So we're going to look the magic trick today. Yeah. तो आज मैजिक ट्रिक हम देखने जा रहे हैं। तो चलते हैं फिर वीडियो की तरफ। Yes, Sam?
Yeah,
Going
let's
to watch.
watch it. Let's do it.
Wow.
How do you know?
Look at his face.
He's like, what the heck? Look at the girl's face.
Eat that ginger.
Yeah, and then it goes back. Look, they're all like, what's going on? That money?
That's a trick.
Yeah.
Because we've seen this
Yeah.
outside already.
He's like, how do you do that?
On the ear. Behind.
Look at the mum's face, she's like, oh my god.
What?
How do you do that one? Something you can see.
That doesn't look like a trick. My God, some tricks look like tricks, some is not.
Yeah, like some of them is like, how did they do that? But I like watching the people's reaction, you know, that are watching it. You can see little like people confused straight away and thinking, how did they do that? So yeah, it's
Oh.
good though, I like magic.
Which one is the best one you think?
When he disappeared, I don't know how he did that at all. Do you? When
Which
he
one?
vanished, the coat
Code.
vanished.
Yeah, that's the one. I don't understand how it's possible. Normally it's a trick.
I think
I can
so.
understand, but what do you think? How is it possible?
I don't know, because I'm not magic, but so that's the part of magic, is it's a trick. It's a trick your mind, so obviously it's not really magic.
How is it? This is not a trick. This is comic trick, I think.
No, but that is what magic is, it's to trick your mind to think that it's magic, but really it's just a trick. But I don't know how he did it. Still.
What about the? Oh yeah, when he was cutting the rope thing. What
Yeah,
do you think?
and then
about
he said
that?
to his mum, put the scissors away, then he turned
Just
round.
yeah, try to take her mum's mind away.
Yes.
Face, then he just doing it.
And the same with the money. The money
Mm.
was already there, wasn't
Yeah.
it? And then the girl thought that he turned it into money, but really it was...
Because some tricks he showed us,
Yes.
that's why we know.
Yeah, I think it was a good way to do it though, because some magicians don't let you know the trick, and they keep it secret, but this is a nice way to like explain how things is done. It's a good video.
Oh, really love this video.
Yeah.
Feel smile on face and happy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Make a difference.
I
Funny.
think he's got loads of different videos, so you can watch.
You're gonna make some more.
Yeah.
सो गाइस, आपने देखा कि आज का रिएक्शन जो हमने फनी पे दिया है, तो हमें बहुत मज़ा आया है आज का वीडियो देखने के बाद। तो जी सामने भी काफ़ी इंजॉय किया है, हमें फेस के ऊपर स्माइल आ गई है और काफ़ी हैरानगी भी हुई है कि ये मैजिक ट्रिक्स कैसे कर लेते हैं। कुछ तो हमने खुद ही देख ली, वो ऑलरेडी उन्होंने वीडियो में दिखाया है, हमें तो इस वजह से हमें पता चल गई। अगर ना हमें दिखाया जाता तो फिर हमें नहीं पता चलना था। लेकिन कुछ ट्रिक्स वो जो जंपर वाली थी, वो तो अभी तक मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि वो ट्रिक जो है वो कैसे कर ली उसने। आई होप कि आपको आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। आई होप you like the videos.
Yeah.
Today's video.
So yeah, we'll watch out for more.
Yeah. I hope you liked it and subscribe my channel. Subscribe. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely subscribe.
Subscribe, like, share.
Subscribers, like and share.
Like and share. Yeah. And we'll meet you next video.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.